Urgent hiring. Mining mate and second class mine manager. Location Udaipur Project, metal mining. Joining immediate joiners preferred. Experience 3+ years. Salary as per company norms. Join NirmanVridhi Construction India LLP and be a part of their growing mining operations. Key requirements: minimum 3+ years of experience in underground metal mining. Immediate joiners will be preferred. A strong knowledge of production drilling, production blasting, blast hole stopping, stope supporting, cable bolting, drilling and blasting planning, safe explosive handling, DGMS safety standards, team coordination and shift operations. Preferred profile. Preferred skills: experience in planning and execution, production, drilling and blasting, knowledge of staggered charging techniques for optimum fragmentation, experience in stope support and cable bolting operations, ability to maintain safety, productivity and quality in underground mining. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है इस जॉब के लिए तो नीचे दिए गए ईमेल पर अपना अपडेटेड रिज्यूम भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हो और दिए गए नंबर पर कांटेक्ट करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।